Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account on the console because multiplayer ties to your gamer tag and subscription. Once signed in, confirm you have Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Core active. That enables online matchmaking and parties. Next, connect the Xbox to your router. Use Ethernet for stability or 5 GHz Wi-Fi if needed. Finally, install all system updates so the console software matches network and game requirements. Doing this first prevents avoidable connection errors later. Once done with basic connection and updates, test the network from settings and check the NAT type. Open equals best, moderate, or strict can block matches. Make sure privacy and online safety allows multiplayer and voice. Adjust Xbox privacy to permit communication with friends and multiplayer sessions. If NAT is moderate/strict, log into your router and enable UPnP or forward Xbox Live ports, UDP88, UDP 3074, TCP 3074. After changes, reboot router. You're ready to join or host multiplayer. Invite friends, accept invites, or queue matchmaking. Use party chat to verify voice works before starting a competitive session, and start with an unranked match to confirm stability. If you can't connect, power cycle the Xbox by holding the power button 10 seconds, then restart. That clears many transient network issues. Also check Xbox Live service status and your subscription. If problems continue, test a wired connection or contact ISP about possible carrier NAT or port blocking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.